Let's talk about the parts for this elastic car first. Firstly, we have 4 wooden wheels, 2 axle, rubber band for the elastic potential energy. This 4 rubber band here is to fix the wheel in position. Later we'll talk about it. This is the support so that we can fix our propeller, and this is the main body. Let's start. Now, to start doing, I think it's easier to start with the wheel. It would be good if you can have a hammer with you, something like that, right? Then you lightly tap the axle into the wheels. So let's do 2. Tap it in. Then push through the hole here. Oh, sorry, before that I think we have to put this rubber band in so that later we can fix the position. Right, push in. There's this little wood knob here. It should be facing upwards. See now, this rubber band helps to position the wheels. Then put another one in here. Oh, sorry, before that again we need to put the rubber band. Okay. Then again we have to tap the wheel in. If you don't have a hammer, I think you can use something hard. Screwdriver, same. Yeah. Push the rubber band in. Oh, this one came off. Okay, then push through here. Rubber band again, so that it is positioned nicely. The wheel will not wobble. Then this wheel goes in, aim properly, then tap it in. Next, the support. There's a slot here, there's a groove, slot in. Then place the propeller, this hole, slot into the wood. Okay, then now our elastic car is done. What you need to do is put the rubber band through the loop here, then the rubber band through this knob, then you spin. Right, make sure you spin at the correct direction, else you will move backwards. And the amount of spin is important. If you didn't spin enough, it won't work at all. It doesn't move because it has to overcome the friction between the wheels and the throttle. Only when the force created by the propeller is strong enough, then it can move. So let's try. We don't have space here, just move. Okay, he's moving this way. Right? If you turn the other way, you move the other way.